Hello, everyone. It's Donna, and we are going to be having the Maya Rain Challenge coming up on June 3rd. I think Marna and Dory, Marna from Dolls Rescued and Dory at Dory's Dollies are hosting, and the theme for June is swimsuits. So, this is a swimsuit that I had made previously for Maya. This is resized from the petite Kirby swimsuits and underwear pattern from Rad Doll Clothes. I'll leave the link below should you want to go pick up a pattern. I resized this to 225%, and I didn't actually fold this down. I left it up and used fold over elastic on it to give it more of a high waistband. But we do have that challenge coming up on the 3rd, so you might need a new pattern to go be able to create yourself a swimsuit for the 3rd. Anyway, I'm planning on trying to make something for one of my girls, and we will see what I come up with. Talk to you later. Bye.